Some of you might not know this, but I'm a recruiter. I've been a recruiter for about 3 years now. And I want to quickly give you 2 tips that will make your CV feel more connected and also tight as well. When you're listing your skills, make sure your skills are related to what you've done before or what you're currently doing, or at least a course you've taken and you've passed, right? Don't put social media management as one of your skills because you know how to use social media. Just because you know how to use social media doesn't make you a social media manager. So try as much as possible to list the skills that are related to what you've done before, what you currently do, or what you've taken courses in. It also goes for guys that know a bit about cryptocurrency. Don't call yourself a crypto trader if you don't know how to trade crypto. Don't add it as a skill there. It's not good. The second thing I would also like to mention is feel free to flex your skills or your growth in your resume. So if you grew a company from 20,000 users to 40,000 users with Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, mention it that way, right? Don't say, worked as a social media in this particular company. Talk about the tools, talk about how you grew the company from this to this, talk about how you helped the company make progress. Be more specific. These are the 2 tips I have for you. If you engage with this video, I'll share more tips with you guys. I'll see you around.